Sa Cebu, nagkukumahog ng mga namimili ng mga pampaswerteng pagkain sa isang bakery tulad ng tikoy at hopya. Maliban pa rito, mabenta rin ang maisin na may lamang mani na pinaniniwalaang pampaswerte. Chubiko, rice cake na may munggo na simbolo ng pampahaba ng buhay at mabuting kalusugan, at ang red ampaw o red pop rice krispies na para sa masayang bagong taon. Aminado rin ang may-ari ng bakery na dadagsa pa ang mga mamimili habang papalapit ang Chinese New Year.
We work so hard for this,
Masin.
and it's not just overnight. And we kind of see to it that our quality is maintained and our service is also maintained. If not, we are trying to improve it every day. And you know, a lot of our customers, we're so happy because they're so loyal to us. Sentimental reason. They will remember their mom every time they come here to eat our product.